no, don't take it, don't take the,
Where's your broom?
it's in here.
Okay.
Don't take it off that thing. What if it flies out right now? I want you on that the whole time, okay?
Well, I need to come outside.
No, you don't. No, you're not coming outside. I'm barely going outside. Move over a little bit so I can ditch back in here.
It's a tiny little broom.
Where'd it go? Oh, no, with the broom's over here. How's it doing over there? No, 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 no. You are not coming out there. No matter what. Okay, I'm going to give me room. You're kind of in my way because I need to come flying back in here. Ready?
It's not in there. It would have been out there like first thing. There's something in there?
Oh, the moth. Hi.
Hello.